Hey folks, this is Hira Babu and you are watching programmingship.com. In this lecture, we are going to learn about a Java interview. The first questions we have, the what are the various access specifiers in the Java, right? So whenever you will go for the Java interview, they will ask you the scope variables and they will ask you the access specifier in the Java, right? So what are the access specifiers in the Java, or they can ask you what are the various access specifiers in Java. So we have four type of access specifier in Java: public, protected, default, and private, right? So what public is doing, if your class method and variables are being defined as a public, it means if your class method and variables are public, you have defined as a modifier, right? So it can be accessed by any class methods from anywhere, okay, in the project. If you are giving as a protected, means it can the class can be accessed by the same package or the subclass, the child class for that class, right? And it can be accessed within the same class. So whatever you have written in the class, those things. So first, if you are writing the public, means that can be accessed from the anywhere in the project. And second, if you are writing protected, means the same package can access that class or the child class can access. And another is the same inside the same class you can access, right? If you are not giving any access fire, right, means by default the default access sphere will work, and it will work within the package. So whatever in the package, they can call the things, right? Another is a private access specifier, right? What is that? If you have a if you have defined class method and variables, any of these as a private, it means you can access only in the class, right? You cannot access outside the class. So wherever you have written, there you can only access in that within the class only, and you cannot go for outside. So the private makes the Java uh, more secure, right? The code and stuff that you are going to write in the project, that will makes Java more protected, right? So we have a various access modifier that we have understood. What are the access specifiers? So we have public, protected, and default, and private. So when we are going to use public, if your class, if you want to anyone can access, then your class method variables can be accessed by the public modifiers. And if you have protected, if you given as a protected, means the same package and the subclass can be accessed. And if you have given no, if you're not given anything, right, it means by default the same package can access uh, either class method or variables. Or if you are not given private, sorry, if you are given a private, it means your class method and variables will be private, and it can be accessed within class only, it cannot go outside. Okay, so thank you guys, stay connected and learn Java interview.